Okay, hey guys, this is Demetrius at Akeelah Traders, and so today I'm going to go through a video with you guys, and we're going to talk about the best trading secret ever. So this is something that a lot of traders out there, if you guys have been trading in the market for any particular period of time, then you've seen lots of trading tips and things out there. People have different strategies, different all kinds of things that you can do that people are telling you, this is the real secret. But we're going to reveal to you today what I've determined to be the best trading secret ever. It's something I wish I'd known several years ago, 4 or 5 years ago in my trading journey. I would be so much further along if someone had come along and just explained these steps to me. And these are 3 foolproof steps. They're very simple. They're things that you can do today. It's not something that's going to require you to go off and study and do something for 3 weeks or 3 months or something like that. So let's dive into these, and I'm pretty sure this is going to help you guys. Okay. First of all, just overall, the Forex market, what is trading in this market? It's, of course, is one of the largest trading networks in the world. The name Forex is kind of just a generic term that's used for this whole system of trading. It's usually CFD trading contracts for a difference, and it involves a lot of different assets. You can trade things like currencies, of course. You can trade stocks, energies, indices like the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. You can trade metals like gold and silver and platinum. A lot of your major cryptos. So different brokers are going to have different assets that are available for trading, but all of these are available to you within this market. It is over $8 trillion worth of volume that's done in this market every day. So this market is huge. It attracts a lot of people. There's tons of potential in here. But this market is predominantly controlled by the large institutions, big banks, big hedge funds, which sometimes make it difficult if you don't really have a knack for understanding what's going on in this market. It's not regulated as the way the traditional stock market is. It's the National Futures Association is what regulates this market. So it makes it easy. There's no rules on day trading. You can get in and out as many times as you want. So that makes it easy and very attractive for anyone to get started trading in these markets. Okay, so why are people having such a difficult time? What are some of the challenges right here? These are just a few of the challenges that people have. It's a steep learning curve. Sometimes it's difficult because you have to learn some complex terms. Some of these are not very intuitive terms like pips, and points that you have to be able to calculate. There's different candlesticks that you really need to learn if you're going to learn technical trading strategies. You have to learn these candlestick patterns. What is the green candle and the red candle, and why does this one have a tail or something sticking out of the top of it and the other one doesn't? There's lots of different complicated things with that. There's chart patterns. There's a lot of different technical analysis techniques that could be necessary if you're going to be successful in this trading. There's things like calculating your lot sizes, and so the pitfalls that a lot of people fall into is things like poor risk management. Not knowing exactly how much to trade, or trading too often, taking too many trades in the market, or not trading enough, or taking too big of a lot sizes. There's too many emotions that's tied into it a lot. Many traders fail just because they get over anxious. They're excited about a particular trade. They're thinking it's going to keep running in their direction, or they get in the hole and they're losing, and then that fear just kind of grips your mind. So that's a big issue. Some other challenges are following signals. So we've done that. I've done that myself for a long period of time. We were subscribed to some networks and following signals and things like that. But that can be difficult if you don't understand what's going on. And if you miss that signal, the timing is critical. You're not sure, can I still get into this trade? Do I need to leave it alone? Those kinds of things. Bad trading habits, just being inconsistent in the market, not following your plan. And sometimes it just boils down to just simply not knowing what am I supposed to trade and when. So those are all the kinds of challenges that we have a very simple solution for you guys to be able to follow. Again, these 3 easy steps, so I'm going to get into them. Just like the easy button, it's just 3 simple things that you can do. Again, they're not complicated. Everyone that's watching this video right now, you're going to be able to enact these steps. You're going to be able to do them very quickly. And starting next week, you can be on a very successful trading journey. Okay, so what is step one? First step is to find an experienced trader or traders, trading network, trading system. Some important factors of that. You need someone who's already knowledgeable about the markets. Now you may say, well, look, I'm trying to trade myself, so why are you telling me to go find someone with this? Because you need someone who's already been down that journey, someone who's had the successes, who've had failures in this market, and really has something that's working right now. So being knowledgeable about the markets is key. A disciplined risk management system. There are lots of people online who are trading, and they are just, really trading just like they're gambling. There's no difference in their trading style than it is going to the casino. You don't want that. You want someone who is disciplined with risk management, who knows how to manage risk in the market. There's nothing wrong with having large risk, so to speak, if they are managed properly and if your risks are consistent. And so someone with some proven consistency here and transparency, this is going to be a big deal. Transparency is critical. We'll take a look at a little bit of, a couple of things we see on YouTube and some other channels. And lots of times people that are trading in this market, they'll show you snapshots. They'll say, hey, look at how we did great with this trade today. Look at how our system did for this particular week or something like that. But they're not being very transparent. They're not opening to you their trading portfolio and say, hey, here's where you can go and you can see every trade that we've taken. You can see my wins, you can see my losses, and see how I'm consistently managing what I'm risking in the market. So that's going to be a critical thing. So step number one, find an experienced trader or traders that meet these kind of criteria. Okay. Next thing is partner with them. Partnership is probably one of the biggest. I don't know how I want to say this. It's probably the most people just don't get it. The power of partnering with someone who is already doing what you're doing, what you're wanting to do, but they're already being successful in it. That's key. You have to be resilient. You can't expect to win every time. If you're going to partner with someone, whatever that person, that trader, that trading network is, get a plan to stick with them. Traders are going to lose in this market. We've had people over periods of time that partner with us, and they do it for a short period of time, and then they're out, and then they want to come back and in and out, that kind of thing, because they're expecting to see someone win every time, every day, every trade, every week, and that is just not going to happen. So when you find someone that meets that criteria in step one, partner with them if it is possible. I mentioned the transparency in the first step. If it's possible, copy all of their trades. If they have a copy trading system, that is going to be infinitely better than you trying to take signals from them, because what's going to happen when they send that signal and say buy US 30 or buy gold at this time, but you're at work, or you're spending time with family, or you're asleep and you didn't get that signal. It's going to be very frustrating to try to do this, whether they're day trading, even when they're swing trading. Sometimes it's difficult to get signals from someone and just be able to apply that and be consistently successful. The third point of this is to make the investment. Okay. A lot of these traders, if they have a good trading system, a trading network, there's going to be some kind of subscription, or there's going to be a profit split or something like that. We've had so many people that we've encountered who are literally just afraid of seeing someone else make any kind of profits off of providing them a service. There's tons of resources on the internet, on YouTube, everywhere you want to look, of free resources that you can learn to trade, you can learn systems, you can learn setups, all these kinds of things. But if you're going to align yourself with someone who is doing a good portion of the work for you, either providing you signals or actually allowing you to copy their trades, then you need to be willing to invest in yourself with that. Subscribe to their system, align with them in their copy trading. If it's a profit split, pay the profit split. The big benefit of partnership is that two is stronger than one. Two people or two systems, or partnering with someone that's doing better than you, you're going to be able to get a significantly better results than if you're trading on your own. And so that's just the truth. That's a reality of it. So would you rather be trading on your own and go into your account and make $1,000 or $200 or $5,000, something like that? Or would you rather partner with someone who can help you grow that amount, make substantially more, but there's a partnership fee for that, or there's a profit split for that? 50% of $5,000 is still better than 100% of $1,000. So that's the way you have to approach these kinds of things. So you need to find someone that meets this criteria and partner with them. The third step is probably the last and most important one, is go live your life. If you can follow what we're proposing to you in step 1 and in step 2, then you're going to be able to do step 3. You're going to be able to go spend time with family instead of sitting here all day looking at trading charts and studying things and getting 90% of your trades wrong, or getting frustrated because you're losing, or you missed that setup that I should have taken, and man, I knew that was my trade and I missed it, so now I'm trying to chase it. All that kind of stuff. Go spend time with your family. Go serve in your community. Benefit someone else. Be a blessing to somebody and give some of your life to them. Or go enjoy your favorite hobby. Go play golf, or go shoot pool, or go swimming. Whatever it is that you enjoy, you're going to be able to do this. And if you successfully follow these steps 1 and 2. So as you can see, our angle with this is not proposing to everyone that you need to go out and learn how to be a successful trader. This market is brutal, folks. This market, the 90-90-90 rule, is there for a reason. It says that 90% of the people who try to trade on their own lose 90% of their investment in the first 90 days. That is a reality. And so there's so many people that's trying to, push up against that system and say, well, that's not going to be me. I'm going to do better than that. And they end up a year later, 2 years later, 5 years later, completely out of money, frustrated, and just, completely just aggravated with the whole system. When you can follow these 3 easy steps that we're telling you, find someone to align yourself up to, somebody who's successful or somebody who's being consistent, partner with them. And then this step 3, cut your computer off, go enjoy your life. Okay. So hopefully these guys, these 3 steps help you guys. Now I'm going to mention here in this next slide here, you may be asking, well, how do I do this? What can I do to go find a good trading partner? Well, there's a couple of things I mentioned. Browsing the internet, of course, that's a big one. You can just go and look online for trading services and things. It's going to be a challenge to find someone that meets all that criteria, but you can do it. Do your research on there. You can go search YouTube. In fact, let's go over to YouTube for a second. Let's click over here. If you came over here to YouTube and just did a very basic search on YouTube for Forex trading, okay, you're going to see these kinds of things come up. There's going to be people like this: the best way to learn Forex trading as a beginner. This guy here is going to teach you about, different strategies that you can use, support and resistance strategies, buy at different zones. There's going to be people on here telling you how they turn, $11 into $1,100 in only 12 hours. Well, this is somebody that has some kind of experience. You'd be a fool to think that you're going to go out and duplicate those results. You're not going to do that. If this person is legit and that's what they've done, it's because they've trained themselves and they got a system or something, that's working for them. But I dare say that the very next day or the next week or something like that, it's going to be difficult, for you to get those same kind of results. So here's some other people here. How would I learn, or how I would learn Forex trading fast if I could start all over? You see so many of these people. If they're seasoned, if they have been doing this for any period of time, they're just flooding the internet with these I would change this kind of videos. I would not do that again. So again, what we're proposing to you is don't go through the same trading journey. It's good to learn from other people's mistakes, but one of the phrases that I like to use is to say one of the worst things that you can do is try to improve on something that you should not be doing in the first place. And with trading, this is one of those kinds of things. If you're Forex trading or you're trading options or futures and things like that, most people should not be doing this at all. So don't try to improve on something you shouldn't be doing. Find somebody who's already doing it and just partner with them. Okay, so that's that one. Let's go back here. Of course, so here I'd be remiss to say us at Akeelah Traders, we'd love you to take a look at what we're doing here. So you can join Akeelah Traders. I'm going to go over to our channel, at least our trading channel. I'm not sure why it's telling me it's not valid, but let's do it the old-fashioned way. Let's jump over to our trading channel and just see, you know, what kinds of things we're doing here. So let me just go to it directly. So you can go to trade.akeelah.io, and this is just the trading portal of our channel. You can go to our main channel, Akeelah.io, and see some more things about what we're doing here. We have an AI system that we use, that we trade with. We have some seasoned traders as well that's taking trades in the market. Sometimes day trading, sometimes swing trading, but copy trading is one of the services that we offer. You know, we're saying, hey, you have the ability to come in and copy the kinds of trades that we're taking. Generally speaking, we're trading in the market on a daily basis, trading a variety of different assets, and our portfolios are available for you to copy. You can partner with us and you can be taking the exact same trades that we are while you're out spending time with family. If we bought gold, you bought gold. If we sold US 30, you sold US 30. And you know, you don't have to be involved in all the details of what's going on with the trading. So you can scroll down here once you're on our site. Come down to this area. It tells you about, you know, we have 2 accounts available right now. That's all that we have that we're making available for trading, for copying rather, is a primary account and an advanced account. You can come down here a little bit further. If you don't have a broker already on MT4, we highly recommend you sign up with our broker. We trade with PlexiTrade right now. And so that broker offers some great spreads, offers great leverage, where you're going to be able to take advantage of some market positions regardless of your account size. Okay, you can scroll down here a little bit further and you can see here's the performance on the 2 portfolios that we're making available. Our primary system right now, the growth is about 60, almost 70% on this one. This particular account, we started this one, I want to say the first part of March, maybe. I may be off a little bit, but both of these have been active for copy trading for just under 3 months. Just say 3 months to be safe. So the first one here is up around 69, close to 70%. Our advanced system is up a little over 100%. Now the difference between these is just the kind of risk. All of our trading strategies are aggressive. We trade aggressively because, again, we have an AI system that we use to go in and find targeted high probability trade opportunities. We trade those aggressively. The system manages the risk. It manages the trade entries, the trade exits. If a trade is not working out in our favor, it's smart enough to get out and take a small loss rather than taking a big loss. So those are those kinds of things that you can do. So if you go here, you're able to click in view signal and get a little more details behind the portfolios. You can see the growth on the accounts, and blow that up a little bit. You can see the growth on the accounts to see, you know, where we started from. And again, we're having wins, we're losing, we're taking losses in this market, folks. That is part of trading. So we had times where we took some losses, but consistency, again, is the key. We consistently risk the same amount on our accounts. We consistently apply the strategies that we're using. And as a result of that, you know, we've been able to grow these accounts substantially. So you can get more details on here. If you're interested, you can just hit follow signal right here, and it'll take you to the subscription section and let you know, how you can partner with us. And we'd love to have you with that. So hopefully this video was very informative for you guys. Again, how to successfully navigate this market and seeing what what I believe is the best trading secret ever. Partner with someone, find someone rather, that's trustworthy and consistent in the market. Partner with them and go enjoy your life. Okay. Oh, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. We'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe to our channel. hit the notification bell, and we love to give you some updates as we post new videos. Okay, all right, you guys be blessed, having a good time.